Alright, yeah, this is your typical lift and lay for tile. The tile lasts a lifetime, but the waterproofing, the paper here, unfortunately it does not. So all we do here is lift the tile section by section and then put down new paper. Because of that, we're doing double paper instead of just doing one layer. That way it lasts twice as long, so the customer gets twice as longevity on the waterproofing. I do a lot of sub work. I work with several different roofing companies, and basically I get jobs from other contractors because that's our specialty. We can usually do the job better and cheaper than General trying to put together his own crew. So that's where we come in, and we'll be happy to do more. This is our first roof for this company, and I plan on doing a bunch more.
Cool. All right, I'll just take a look at everything that you guys have done. Thank you. What was your name?
I'm JT.
JT.
These guys will beg to differ. They got other nicknames. ¿Estás comiendo con el cuchillo? ¿Moleras? ¿Moleras? He asked me what my name was, and I started laughing because I got a couple of nicknames. Hey, still we're out of bags. Jose. Come on, the trash bag.